now you have to go back and run another full piece. We're doing setup guys. 9. What do we have?
81.
Like I say, that doesn't show the whole picture. And Dave Berkey will talk about that. Sometimes you say, hey, that's more severe than it's showing here. And then he'll go back and go, why? Is it more severe? But we're saying it's just time lost, right?
And also a possible AR. I mean, isn't it? Or not? Maybe not. Maybe.
Yes.
Absolutely.
No. Yes. Slow down. At least.
Well, yeah, because engineering expects us to catch these.
Well, if it's not on the print and we turn it QC, QC doesn't catch me. It just goes.
Yeah.
But we can get hit from slowdowns. But typically, yeah, it will get corrected. So I don't know. But helping me remember when we're doing our presentation, say this number didn't seem to tell the whole picture because there's time loss that doesn't show in these three numbers. All right, any others?
Castings. The special issues we have with castings. The chasing.
Going back to setups now. You're saying fighting casting variants. Is that what you-
Casting variants and the sanded surface.
Fighting casting there.
How severe is it? To your setup time.
I'm gonna have to run 2 or 3 more parts.
Yeah.
I've got to see 4.
And
just
just running another part might take you another 45 minutes to.
Then you check your dimensions and you throw another load in. Then you check your dimensions, throw another load in. I can see it doubling your cycle
Yeah.
time, or at least adding 50, 60%.
I give it an 8.
I'd say 8.
Yeah, 10 is it doubles our cycle time, right? We've just lost our pants on the job. That's what we're running into with Dave Berkey saying, and Dennis saying, we've got to do something. And I felt like the one meeting we had where it was Gerald, myself, Dennis, and Dave, and then we brought in Mike and Courtney about the casting. What can we do so we can start making money instead of losing our shirt on it? And basically the idea was, I felt coming out of it that I felt like most of the blame was put back on us. And I'm saying,
Well,
the whole reason we had this meeting is because something isn't working here. We can keep beating our heads against the same wall, or we can try to step back and maybe find the reason.
this is why I got frustrated the other day. We just had that meeting with Francis, is that what it was? And most of our locating points are going off their sanded surfaces. But then they pushed it back on us like it's our fault. But we've been going off these sanded surfaces for I don't know how many years, and that's why we keep chasing.
So what you are to do now, and I've been working with Cody and Curtis very closely because they have more of the struggle ones. Small batches and surfaces that we're locating on. I would say most of our fixturing on 2 and 5 is better. Not perfect, but better. But if you find one like that, bring it to me, and what I do is take a picture of it, mark the area that they need to leave alone, if at all possible, and we'll send them a picture. We've done about 4 parts so far, so we've got 50 to go, or whatever. We're only 10% through. So, occurrence. How often does it happen? Let's not count in when we run extrusions because that doesn't count. When you're running a casting, how often does it? 50? 75?
Are we saying, okay,
All
not
castings.
necessarily fighting, locating off of a sanded surface, that's not all.
You were struggling with the plus or minus 30 thou centerness on the 495 CS-4. Remember that?
Yes. Yeah, okay, so that was,
X275.
right, yep. That,
How
we weren't
often does it
locating
happen?
on it, we weren't locating on it.
495 CS Mara, you just set up. Did you fight location?
Not this